Do you want to know how you can post songs on SoundCloud? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can post or upload songs in SoundCloud. Go ahead and upload soundcloud.com, log into your account, and then you can see upload. Go ahead and click upload, and then you can drag and drop your tracks, or you can click choose files to upload. Go to the file which you want to upload and then click on the file. Now what you need to do is write down the basic info of the file. You can upload the image. Let's go ahead and choose one of the images over here, and then you can write the title. So this is the permalink. You can edit it if you want. You can denote the genre, some of the additional tags if you want, this description of your track, caption, and the privacy. And after this, go ahead and click save. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on master track. You can go ahead and master your SoundCloud edit as well. So go ahead and click on this. You can go ahead and preview it as well, and then press continue. In a while, the track will be mastered, which is powered by Dolby. So take a listen to your track after it has been mastered. You must notice that you must purchase it to master it. So it will take some coins or some points for you to purchase it. And if you don't want to master it, you can go ahead and click upload again. If you want to master it, go ahead and master it, or else just go ahead and click upload file. You can see that this beat has been uploaded. By uploading, you confirm that your SoundCloud comply with our terms of use and don't infringe anyone else's rights. So this has been uploaded. Go ahead and go to your track. As you can see, you have uploaded this track over here. It can be played and then you can share it. This is how you post a song on SoundCloud. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.